So, is it recorded? Ah, hello guys. As I promised, I'll make a survival again because it's crashed last video. It's survival. I like LOL. So let's start. So here we are again. I wish I could pick the same seed. So let's punch this wood. As I promised, I will make another because it's crashed. So yeah, basically I have to make. Wait, I can't reach it. Come here. So yeah. Like what I said. Okay. Now let's continue chopping. No, I can't reach it. So yeah. Okay. This is the way that's perfect. It's perfect. Nothing will stop. And anyways, last video, it suddenly crashed because not enough insufficient memory, so I delete my worst games at all. So I hope this time it won't crash like the last video. Oh, I can jump. Yeah. Excuse me. Let's go. Ouch. I fall down in my little trap. Oh. I almost forgot my crafting table. So it's like on Half-Life 2. Comment me below if you don't know what is Half-Life 2. Well, it's an FPS. Wait. You can see. It's okay. I go. Where are you now? Under the sea. Chicken again. Let's kill this chicken. No, don't. I think he heard us. Engage. Where's the chicken? Yeah. Goodbye. I'll continue my adventure to what just happened. I think I heard a spider. I think Maybe. Maybe I heard a spider. Oh, there's pig. Let's go. Let's go for it. Kill this pig. Wow. I wish I can build a house like that. Hey, baby pig. Oh, you go to your mother. Die! Where are you? Your mother's dead. Your mother's dead. You're next. Now you're dead. You're dead too. You're all dead. What did I just saw? A wood decapitator. So yeah, wood decapitator. Where am I? I think I'm lost. What? Yes. I think I found something. Folks, I found something. I need a light. Shine bright like a diamond. No. La 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 la. I need that one. Oh, there's 3 of them. Well, I don't care. I have this. So yeah, let's go. I wonder if I go power this. Excuse me. Creepers can now see me. Yeah, that's what you get for blowing me up. What? Okay, this is my house. This is my house. It's a lot of creepy, but it's okay to me. Oh. It's okay to me to, because I have Mr. Rose. Mr. Rose, just stand there. You're with me. Oh, I almost forgot. Yeah, it's done. Let's get some torch because it's very scary here. So yeah. Let's put a decoration. just like that. So it's now perfect house for a noob. I'm not a noob. I just only need a shelter. Okay, I need a torch. More torch. Torch. I like the sound of that. Torch. 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 If you're annoyed, don't judge me. 'Cause I like that sound. Torch. Torch. So yeah, in the next video. So I'm done. I'm done here. Okay, so goodbye everyone. Don't forget to like, also subscribe, and don't forget to comment in the description below. See you next time, or see you in the next video, fellas.